Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for Roblox players: how to prevent everyone from messaging you on the Roblox app for PC. With the new update, managing your privacy has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open your Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can access your settings. Now look for the three dots located on the left side of the menu. This menu icon will take you to a list of options that you can adjust to enhance your gaming experience. Once you click on the three dots, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy tab. This is where you can control who can interact with you in the game, including messaging. Under the Privacy section, you'll find a prompt that says, "Who can message me?" This is the key setting we want to focus on. Click on this option, and you'll be given several choices. For complete privacy and to ensure that no one can message you, simply select No One. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to prevent everyone from messaging you on Roblox. Enjoy your uninterrupted gaming experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.